Hello everybody, doing a little new build intro here. It's been kind of rainy and I've been kind of busy. I have some spray painting I gotta do outside for the Cortina. It'll be almost done. I just have to do the hood and the grill. So since it's been rainy, I figured I'd try something new, and I had this kit not too long ago. This is one that is at Hobby Lobby and 40% off. It's pretty darn cheap. So trying something different. So far I'm enjoying it. It is M41 tank. Walker Bulldog. I don't know too much about it yet. I think I'm going to do a little research on it, but right now I'm just, gluing it together. Normally I don't do tanks. I do cars and all that stuff, so it's a nice change. But here is where I'm at so far. It's a pretty nice kit detail wise. I think the only other tanks I've done, well, no, I've done 3 tanks so far, so this is the 4th tank I've done. Well, they got it so this actually opens up. These I might end up cutting off and making them wire. You can see there. So let me break it. The turret still is not glued down. I probably end up gluing it down to do that turret cover or whatever they got on the nose of it. So I'll probably figure out a spot, glue it, and do that. Got all the little handles glued on. A little bit more, a couple more parts I gotta glue onto this. The nice thing is I mean, for me, you glue everything together and then you detail paint, weather, and all that. I haven't glued nothing on this, but got some pretty cool details to it. It should weather up really nice. And then I got these, and these are just those, the poly caps in there. So I can pop them off when I go to paint it, but so far I got a little bit of it. This is one of them kits that has an option where it's battery powered. So it's got a lot of nice detail on the front. If you guys notice, I haven't been posting many videos lately. Been quite busy. Summertime, a lot of you guys, I'm sure, are in the same situation, trying to get stuff done. This comes with just a, I guess these are the ones you guys call the rubber band tracks, where you heat smash them pins together. They still got good detail to them, and weather them up a little bit. I ain't gonna get too crazy. Maybe just a little bit of mud, but like I said, I'm gonna do some research before I do that. It also comes with the guys, and the manual does, like, this is what, the Mod Podge and a tissue paper or tissue. Make that. I'm probably gonna do a little research on YouTube before I do that. I like to have some stowage stuff on it. Kind of look at some inspiration, but it does have some nice tips on it. Too bad the picture ain't in color. It does have a couple pictures, a couple real pictures and a couple model pictures. So like there's a picture of the model all done. Has that canvas around the base of the turret. There's the three guys. A lot of fun doing something different. I think I've been getting a little burnout on doing cars. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'll probably do something else a little bit different as well. I do have a few kits that are not car based. I have another tank. It's an M3 Lee tank. It's a tester's kit. It's just a snap together kit, but the detail's still there, and I think if I paint it and weather it up, it won't look like a snap kit. And one of the kids got that for me for Christmas, so I end up building that one. I'll probably end up doing that one next. I might look at the colors and might do it at the same time, and that way I can just paint everything all at once and weather everything. But here's the guys. These guys got really good detail, so I am gonna build these. I've got a couple guns and some canteens, some grenades. You know, if they're like the AMT from the 50s and that, you know, detail like that, I probably wouldn't build them. But these guys, of course, it's Tamiya, so they got a lot of pride in their tools and stuff. So they always look good. So they look good painted as long as I don't screw it up. But that's what I've been working on. Figured I'd get you guys an update. Hopefully everybody's doing well. And until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.